Good afternoon to one another. My name is K. Spandana.
My name is Lahari.
Today explaining about laws of exponent.
Multiplicating power with the same base. The formula is a into a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n.
Dividing power with same base. Formula is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n.
Power of power is the formula is a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn.
Number with exponent 0. A to the power of 0 is equals to 1.
Multiplying base with the same exponent, the formula is a power m into b power m is equals to ab whole power m.
Dividing base with same exponent. Formula is a to the power of m by b to the power of m is equals to a by b whole power m.
Negative exponent, the formula is a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m.
Fractional exponent. Formula is a to the power of 1 by m is equals to mth root of a.